a leprechaun with a rainbow and a pot of gold.
That's right. A leprechaun with a rainbow and a pot of gold. You guys excited?
Yes. Rainbows of.
Hit us with a like and
Subscribe and
don't forget
the bell.
and Odin's Antics. Odin's Antics. Good job.
Your antics.
Good job. All right, let's get started. Okay, first thing we're gonna do in our leprechaun pot of gold drawing is we're gonna draw the pot.
Okay.
So it's gonna be like a sideways letter C.
Or you.
Or just a big, like a big U, but you want to curve it in. You want help?
Yeah.
Okay. Start here,
I'm doing a big
curve it down, and end there.
Oh,
Curve it down. Good job.
Mine BB.
That's really good. And then we're gonna draw the
baby.
the pot, which is like a black kettle. It's gonna have a curve.
Oh,
The front edge of it is a curve. So just draw a curve in there, okay? Nice job. And then we're gonna draw the leprechaun coming out of it.
not that curve.
So we'll draw his body first, which is just gonna end up being like a rectangle. I'm gonna actually angle mine in just slightly. It's gonna be kind of like a trapezoid.
That big, Daddy.
Leprechaun jacket, ready? Do his sleeve. We're gonna just do a triangle. Just do a triangle on each side, okay?
I did it!
Good job. Yes, you did it. This one's gonna have hands though that go like this. They just are curves. These are called lapels, the lapels of his jacket. Okay, so you're gonna do two lines in. Okay.
Okay. What?
Then you're gonna do
What's next?
then you're gonna do a V right in the middle.
What next?
Oh, you're gonna do a V. You're gonna do a V right here, from there to there to there. Okay, ready?
What
So this line here is just gonna come down, like that.
Come down?
Yep. And you can make a curve in it like I did, or you can just come straight down. It's up to you. Good. Stop. Good. Okay. Now, the outside part of the lapel comes down, but it has a little V notch cut out of it, and then it goes down to meet the other part of the jacket.
Oh, what?
Take a little V notch out of it. If you don't feel like you can fit it, Landon, it's completely fine to make it straight. Yeah, good job. Good job.
Like that?
Yeah, perfect. And then on the other side, the lapel comes down a little further, but it goes up and it still has another V shape cut out of it.
Go up?
Yeah,
I'll
like
go
this.
up.
From here
I see.
up to there. From there to there, okay?
There or
Good job. Nice lapel.
what
What's next?
Yeah.
We're going to bring this part of his jacket down a tiny bit because it needs to go just beyond his hands, okay?
Mine's already done.
Okay, yours is done. Good.
Mine.
Now
mine too.
we're gonna draw his chin. We're gonna draw the bottom part of his chin because I want to put the bow tie on after that. All right. So actually, what we're gonna do is from his shoulder, we're gonna go up with a big U and across and up with a big U. It's gonna be his beard. Oop, good job. Now go up.
Go up.
Yeah, good job. Stop right there, okay? We'll put his bow tie in, okay?
Water?
His bow tie is basically three, essentially circles,
Okay.
okay?
Oh, okay.
And the middle one's just a little smaller. So you can do circle,
Circle?
littler circle, bigger circle.
I don't have enough one.
Okay, you don't need one. Not every leprechaun
I did it!
wears a bow tie. Good job.
Yeah. I
Now you put a circle on this side and a circle on this side, okay? Got it? Good job. Not yet, okay? Not yet.
No,
Now we can do the
Take
rest
it
of
out.
the rest of his beard, okay?
No. What next?
Next is the inside part of his beard. So we did the outside part. Now we're gonna do the inside. So it's gonna come in on a little bit of an angle because his face is narrower than his beard. It's gonna swoop down And then it's gonna go up on an angle as well.
Really good.
Now we're gonna draw his ears. Ears, yeah. So his ears, Leprechaun's ears are a little bit pointy, okay? So here's how I'm gonna do mine.
I'm gonna do mine.
It's gonna come up. It's just gonna be a little bit of a point. Another ear on that side. Yep, do another one on that side.
I don't like my ears.
I think they're gonna end up looking just great by the time we put a hat on them.
My ears are on.
Okay.
I don't.
I did it!
You did it! Good job! Now inside the ears, you make little details inside the ears. Okay, we're gonna draw the rim of his hat that's up against his forehead.
What next?
So it's a curved line from there to there.
You just told me.
Curved line from there to there. Okay, so we're gonna just a little above the ears. We're gonna draw the rim of his hat. So you're gonna go from just above that ear to just above that ear with a curve. So this is gonna curve down now, and it's gonna curve in behind his ear. Good. Now do it on this side. You want some help?
Yeah, I'll do it.
You'll do it. Okay. He's got a big hat on. It's good.
He's
Good
got
job.
a giant hat. I like it.
Now we're gonna do a rounded top for the leprechaun.
What next?
So from right.
Next?
Good job. From right above the outside of his beard to the outside of his beard. That's how we're gonna do this. You're gonna make a big dome on top of his head.
Bon dome?
Yep. It's like a half circle or like an upside down U. All right, let's put the buckle right in the middle of his cap, just like we have done with our Santa Claus videos and things like that. You want to make a smaller square inside?
Sure.
Would you want Daddy to help you?
Yeah.
Can he help you?
Yeah.
Good. Now let's go ahead and finish off the buckle with the part that comes out the side, on a curve, and on a curve.
Mine is
Good job.
big.
Oh, we're ready for eyeballs.
Yes.
You guys ready for eyeballs?
Yeah.
Nice. So I'm gonna do some pretty big eyeballs.
A big. Elbow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go one big one there,
My head is not that big, so.
and one big one there. I like them big.
I want big too.
You can do big too. It's up to you.
I'm gonna go as big as I can.
I cut it.
Not yet, okay?
Not big.
Not yet. Let's do a nose. I'm gonna do an oval nose.
I'm on the nose.
Oval nose is what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I'm on the nose too.
Good job, guys.
But I have a big nose.
Yeah, we don't mean over your work too much because then nobody can see what you're doing, okay?
I want big. Yeah. No.
Oval. Ready? Here we go for the next step.
Okay.
My smile, this guy's smile is gonna be like this.
I'll do that.
All right, now
Okay. But
we have to finish off the pot.
my
The pot is gonna act like the hat did.
goat.
The rim of the pot is gonna go around the back of the leprechaun on both sides. Got it?
What? Got it. I
Now.
did it. Yeah, I did it.
You made it around. Good job. Now you see how we left a little
What?
space.
Next.
We left a little space in front of his jacket. We did that on purpose. We did it on purpose because the rim of the pot is thick. And we're gonna see that in our drawing. So this is gonna curve around and it's gonna mimic the curve of the pot. That. We're gonna do some gold nuggets,
Go nuts. On the ground.
like on the ground piled up against the pot on both sides, and then we'll draw the ground, okay? I'm just gonna draw some gold nuggets here.
Go nuggets. What gold nuggets? Yeah. One.
They're just jiggy and jaggy, and they're gonna pile up on both sides of the pot.
Both
Okay.
side.
And then you can draw the ground right off to the side.
On me.
And this will make more sense once we color it, but that's what that is, okay? You're gonna have some golden nuggets,
Golden
yeah, on the ground here.
here.
On the ground here, yeah. Let's finish our eyeballs and then we'll do the rainbow, okay? Can you do this with Dad? Can you make a circle inside of your eyeball, right like that? Good circle. And then we'll do another one inside the other eyeball. Now we'll draw the rainbow. Okay?
John,
We're gonna draw a rainbow, and the rainbow's just gonna arc right over his head. All right, everybody, I think we're ready for color.
Mine.
What do you guys think?
I think so.
Okay, let's do it. One, two, three, Leprechaun! Travel the rainbow! Pot of gold! 1, 2, 3! Show it off. So this is what we came up with. This was actually Maddie's idea today. She wanted to do a leprechaun in a pot of gold with a rainbow. Odin got a little tired on the coloring phase, but he did an awesome drawing. Right, buddy?
You know.
Yeah. So if they liked it, what should they do?
They should smash that like button. Like button.
Hammer the like button and
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.
Hit the ball.
Bell.
bye.